everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending on your time zone. For my new subscriber, you all are wonderful. I really appreciate you all, and all my subscribers, I really appreciate you all. I thank you all. May God bless you all. And for those that just see my video for the first time, please press that red button you will see there. They say subscribe. Please press it and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell so that anytime I make a new video, you will be the first person. You will be the first person to be notified, so that any video I post, you will be notified. So guys, in today's video, I bring it to you how to make beans porridge. And I will show you the beans I'm going to be using. Yeah, the beans I will be using is black eye beans, and I will be showing you how I will be making the beans. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Watch it to the end, so that I will be showing you how you will be cooking your beans, because beans we buy here in Europe is different from the one in Nigeria, and I will tell you why it's different. Because beans in Nigeria, you just remove the dirty and pour it in a plate and use water to wash it. You transfer it to your pot and start cooking it. The one you have here in Europe is not like that. Unless you find Africa beans in Africa shop here in Europe. But if you don't find, and you find beans in Europe, will I call it Europe beans or whatever? I don't know. But when you buy it, and you want to cook it, and when you are cooking it, you will notice the difference between the one you normally cook back home and the one you have here in Europe. You notice the difference. So in today's video, I will be showing you all about that, and how you are going to wash it, how you are going to do it so that you to be clean. Don't just pour it in the pot and start cooking it. You have gradually, stage by stage. Okay, so in this video, just watch this video to the end. I will be showing you how you wash it. And before you apply anything you want to apply in your beans, you have to make sure your beans is clean. You have to make sure you wash it very well. So just stay to watch this video to the end and see how your girl is going to be cooking it. Thank you, and let's go there and see how it is. As I said before, this is the beans I will be using. I hope you guys can see it very well. It's black eye beans. This is the one I will be using, so I will be pouring it now. I hope you guys can see the beans. See it? Black eye beans. This is what we'll be using. Okay guys, so I will wash it now. I put it to the pot. Just follow me up and see how I do my thing. You guys can see the beans. You can see the water, that the water is very black. This one is the stage 1 of it. So I have been boiling this bean for 10 minutes on water. The water is very black. I will throw away this water, I wash it, I put it back. This one is the stage 1, and you will see the stage 2 of it. I hope you guys can see the water. You see the water? You see how it's very dirty? So you pour away this water. And wash it. You see it? Wash it again. You pour away the water. You put water again. I transfer it to the fire and let it boil again for 10 minutes. So I will put it in the fire now and let it boil for 10 minutes. Just watch. I hope you guys can see it. Then cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes before you can wash it again. I will show you guys how it will look like, okay? Yes, this one is the second stage. You see? So I will be washing it. I hope you can see the water. You see it? You see? You see the water is getting clean. You see, now it's clean. You see? Now it's clean. Yes. Oh my word, the water is very hot. See, as you can see, that is clean now. You see? So guys, don't just put your beans in the fire like that and say it's okay. No, you have to wash it very clean. Make sure your beans is clean before you start adding anything, before you start eating it. You see, it's very clean. So I will just add water now and transfer it to the fire, okay? You see, since the fire, I will cover it. I told you stage by stage. We have passed stage 1 and stage 2, and this one is stage 3. It's clean already, so I don't want to wash it again. I will just be cooking it. If ever, I will show you how everything goes, okay? Yes guys, as we are waiting for beans to done, so these are the things I will be using to make my beans. As you can see, everything is here. Here we have shrimps, fish, dried fish, crayfish. We have onions and a scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using one. I have tuna fish and I also have tin tomatoes, so I'll be using all of them. So now I want to be blending onions and scotch bonnet pepper together. I want to add it to my sauce. I will cover the sauce to boil. You see, I will be adding onions. Also, I will be adding dry fish. You see, onions and dry fish have been added. I also want to add fresh fish. You see, I have added all the fish. I want to add the palm oil. The one I put is not enough. Let me add a little. That one is okay. Do not forget I use palm oil to fry the tomatoes. Because it's not enough, that is why I add little to it. You guys can see the yam. As I said before, I told you guys, you see the size of the yam. I told you guys that I bought this yam 10 euro, as you can see. So I just want to cut the yam. I take the one I will be using to eat my beans. Then I will keep the remaining one. I hope you guys can see the yam. So let's go then and start cooking the yam also while the beans is getting ready. Okay guys. As you can see, the beans is getting ready. So I will be adding my grounded crayfish. As you see, I will be adding it. Let me dress it so that you guys can see it very well. Yes, I have added my grounded crayfish. I will just leave it to boil a little before I can add salt and seasoning to it. So as you can see, I will just cut the one we use. The thing is very strong. Oh, no, it's a knife. Let me use another knife. I think this one is more sharper. Oh yes, we get it now. So I will be using this one. I think I like the yam. The yam is very good. I was thinking maybe the yam inside will not be okay, but the yam is very good. I like it. So I will be peeling this one now. I will be cooking this one. So you can see, this is the yam. Look at the yam. This is the yam. So I will add salt now and put it on the fire. You see, I like the yam. You know, worth the money. Very nice. Okay, let's cook it. When it's ready, you guys will see it. As you can see, I will be adding fish seasoning. As you can see, I'll be adding 1 spoon. That is enough. I will also be adding salt, 1/2 spoon. After that, you cover it, let it boil up, and as you can see, the yam is here. So you can see everything is getting ready. As you can see, the beans is ready. Hope you guys can see it very well. I thought it's porridge beans I'm making. So as you can see, my porridge beans is ready. As you can see, you see it very well. Here is my porridge beans and white yam. As you can see, it's ready and it's very tasty and yummy. You see the beans? Look at that. Look at that. Oh. It's very tasty, no? Please guys, come and join me and eat. And my beautiful people, please do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to press the notification bell so anytime I make a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Do not forget to share and like. Please put your comment below in the comment section so that I know how you make your beans. And if you have any question to ask, please do not forget to ask any question. Just feel free to ask any question you want to ask. Thank you all from here. Bye with love.